Hey guys, Jack's your free auto mechanic. We're going to show you how to put in some LED high beams on your Chevy Silverado. We've already put in some low beams. We've put in some turn signal bulbs that are LEDs. Made a huge difference, only to be disappointed when you put on your high beams and they're yellow instead of nice and bright. So now we're going to complete the package. We're going to put in some LED brights that were given to us by SEALIGHT. Thanks guys. So let's get to it. So let's take a look and see what's inside our box here. Oh, those are some beautiful bulbs. We even got built-in cooling fans, so you don't have to worry about them overheating. These are pretty high-tech looking, pretty fancy. I like it. Everything you need is built in. So we got some instructions, some zip ties, looks like some sticky tape. Got some O-rings, some gloves provided. We'll need those. So we checked out everything's in the kit. We got everything we need. All we need to do is get them in there. It's going to be the inside bulb in here. We're going to start by taking this slide loose. I'm just going to pull it up, work it out. You might have to lift this up a little bit. Set that off to the side, and that's going to allow this whole assembly to be free. We'll just take it loose, and that'll give us access to our bulb. Right on the back side, it's going to be this one right here. Now before I go yanking and pulling on these bulbs, I'm going to go ahead and put these fancy gloves on that they give us. Because you don't want to touch the filaments of these bulbs because they can go bad if for some reason you want to replace them. At least I gave you these gloves to use. So we're going to look on the back side. We're going to need to pop this off. Should be able to just push on it downward, just a little bit of pressure, and it will pop loose. Then we're just going to turn it counterclockwise. Give it a little wiggle. Set of new ones. Doesn't really matter which one you get. You want to make sure that the O-ring is in place, same as the one you took off. And if not, they did provide you with whichever color O-ring or size that you need. So that's pretty handy. We'll just put it in the same way. You want to line these notches up just the same. A little twist clockwise. Then we'll find our plug-in adapter. Plug it in. And she's all set. Slide our pin back in. Lock it into place. And those are our regular LED lights. These are our brights. Oh wow. Yeah. This one's quite a bit more yellow. I know it looks like they're both lit up, but it's just the center one. So the passenger side is going to be pretty much the same. You just want to get over here. You want to get this pin lifted and removed. In there. Pull this out. Just give a little push and we'll come Grab our other new one. There we go. You want it locked in correctly. Now here's something I noticed. If you look down inside here, the pin's kind of bent a little bit. Kind of hard to see. Tweak that over just a little. Make sure it's going to line up. Do a nice click. So you can see how cool it looks with the LEDs on the regular. If you don't have bright lights to go with it, you're just missing out on the whole package. Now instead of looking like that old dingy truck riding around at night, you look like one of these new ones rolling around. So now you got your regular low beams on the LED. Now you've got your high beams on the LED. Quite a difference.